NASA recorded this sound on the surface of Mars. In 2021, the Perseverance rover captured real audio for the first time in history. It recorded a low-frequency hum and wind like we've never heard before. The sound, almost alien, deep, echoing across the barren red planet. NASA scientists were stunned. This wasn't just wind, it felt alive. Here's what it sounded like from 147 million miles away. But here's the thing, it wasn't just wind. Follow at Secret Vault YT for more secrets they're not telling you.